right, friends, we're ready for math. So get out your whiteboard with your marker and your eraser. Now let's do some math together. So we've been practicing making numbers, 2-digit numbers, with our tens and our ones. Yesterday, I gave you the tens. I drew a 10 like this, and ones are just little dots like this. And then we figured out what number it was. Today, I'm going to give you a number, and you're going to draw the tens and the ones. So erase your board and get it ready to go. All right, our first number is 15. If I write the number 15, how many tens should I make? 1. And how many ones am I going to make? 5. See how I did that? 1 10, 5 ones makes 15. All right, hopefully you did that with me. Now I'm going to give you some, and I'm going to see if you can do it, and then we'll check your work. Okay, the next number is 24. 24. Remember that first number is the tens, and the second number is the ones. So how many tens should you draw? And how many ones? All right, I'm going to draw it and see if you have it the same as me. Does yours look like this with 2 tens and 4 ones? Awesome. If it doesn't, go ahead and fix it. Make sure you have, 2 tens and 4 ones. All right. Next, the number is 53. 53. So if I needed 53, how many tens and how many ones would I draw? You do it, and then we'll check. 53. How many tens? How many ones? All right, this is our tens, so I hope you drew 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is our ones, so I hope you drew 3. If you made 5 tens and 3 ones, awesome, good job. Let's do a couple more together before we move on to our math page. The next number is 68. 68. How many tens are in the number 68? Draw them right on your board. How many tens? And now how many ones do you need to add? You go ahead and do it, and then we'll check and see if yours looks like mine. Got it? All right, did you make 6 tens? Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you make 6 tens and 8 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. If you did, if you didn't, fix it up. 68 is 6 tens, 8 ones. Let's do one more. The number is 71. 71. How many tens are in the number 71? And how many ones? You draw it, and we'll check it. Give you just a couple seconds to do that. All right, does yours look like mine? Did you give 7 tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 1? If you did, good job. If you didn't, fix it up. Make sure it looks like this. 71 is 7 tens, 1 1. All right, now for the next part of our lesson, we're going to get this page. It's got the clouds on it, and it says counting on at the top. Let's go ahead and get that page out, and we're going to do this page together. So we're going to count by ones to add on, and the first number they gave us, do you know what that number is? Can you read it? It's a 3 and a 5 makes 35. 3, 5 makes 35. So we're going to start counting at 30, and we're going to write the numbers that come after 35. Ready? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. How do I make a 36? Well, I know 30 is a 3, and then I need a 6. 3, 6. 35, 36, 37. I need another 3 for 30 and then a 7. 35, 36, 37, 38. 3 for the 30 and an 8. See how this made a pattern? They went up 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're in the 30s, so we use a 3 at the beginning of each one. 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, now if you understand how to do that, you see the other numbers, you can go ahead and stop the video and finish your page up on your own because you know what numbers come next. But if you want to keep following with me, go ahead, stay on and follow along as we finish up these numbers. So now I have a 4 and a 2. A 4 and a 2 is 42. So what comes after 42? Well, I know 40 is always going to have a 4. So I'm going to start with that. 42, 43. Okay, if I have a 2, 3, what's going to come next? A 4. So I have 42, 43, 44. What number am I going to start with in the next cloud? Look at this one. 4, 4, 4, 4. And then 2, 3, 4, 5. 42, 43, 44, 45. If you got them all correct, awesome job. Okay, let's move down to this one. 5, 3 makes 53. Remember when it starts with a 5, we're talking about 50s. 53. So what's going to be the first number in all these clouds if this one's a 5? Yep, a 5. All the way across, I can put a 5 because I know it's 50s. Now, let's see. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Did you see that pattern? 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's count. Let's read those numbers. 53, 54, 55, 56. Good job if you got them all correct. If you need to fix any, go ahead and fix them. All right, now we have a 7 and a 6. What number does that make? 7, 6. I don't say 7, 6, it's 76. 76. What is going to be the first number in every cloud? 7. Good. I hope you noticed that pattern. All of these had 5s. All of these had 4s. All of these had 3s. And all of these are going to start with a 7. So I'm going to put my 7 right there. That's a 76. So what comes after 6? 76, 77. 76, 77, 78. I know 70 means a 7, and then I need the 8. What comes next? I want you to think about it, count and put it there, and then I'm going to add it and see if you have it correct. 76, 77, 78. What number are you going to write right there? See the pattern? 7, 7, 7. What's the first number? If you put a 7, awesome job. You're doing a great job. Then the next number, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you figured that out, awesome work. I'm so proud of you. If you didn't, it's okay. Just keep following along. We're going to keep practicing these this week. So let's read our numbers. 76, 77, 78, 79. Great job. All right, here's our last one for the day. A 6 and a 7. That's the number 67. 67. All right, you're going to try these 3 on your own. First, what's the first number that's going to go in every single cloud? All 3 of these is going to have what number? If you said 6, awesome job. And then you're going to have to figure out the second number. So I know it's going to be a 6. 67, 60. What comes after 7? If you said 8, awesome job, 68. So if I wrote 67, 68, what comes next? What is that double digit number? 67, 68. If you said 69, awesome job. Now, here's a tricky one because it switched the tens on us. 67, 68, 69, 70. There's not going to be a 6 because I don't hear a 60 in that one. 67, 68, 69, 70. So what number makes the 70? That's going to be a 7 and a 0 for 70. They tricked us on that one. Hopefully it didn't confuse you too much. 67, 68, 69, 70. All right, even if you didn't follow right along with me and you went ahead and did some on your own, awesome, but make sure you check them and make sure you have them all correct. If you do, give yourself a star at the top of your page or a smiley face, or both, because you did such a great job today. Take a picture of this page and upload it for me so I can see all your nice work. Have a great Tuesday. Bye-bye, friends.